Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you troll vase image ID in Grow a Garden 2 game app Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get an image in your garden, first you need to have the picture frame. You can purchase it from the props shop. And you can purchase the picture frame crate, and from there you will be able to get either the small one, the big one, or the mega one. And I got the small picture frame, and you can edit the image ID to change the image in your picture frame. And to get the stroll face image, you can add this image ID 68627809332. Once you add this image ID, you will get this troll face image in your picture frame. Okay guys, and that's all the image ID for the troll face image in Grow a Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.